I've had another company that I worked with in the past before I switched employers,
Mm-hmm.
and we've been talking back and forth for a year. I
Yep.
quoted on multiple opportunities. They visited 3 of our plants. We visited 3 of their plants.
Yep.
Everything they're saying is you're perfect for us. Our current supplier, we outgrew their capacity, and nothing, no orders are coming through. Just can you quote on this? Can you quote on that? How can I push this over? Even though I asked, like said, hey, we worked for a year, right? We
Yep.
spent you know, we give you samples, we give you that, we give you that. I need to show something. And he's like, well, gonna have to wait,
Yep.
So
So, and this was, you got all the way down the road with no orders with the old company. Now you've switched companies, correct?
no, the old company was buying from my old company
Oh,
that I worked for.
okay. And now you're all the way down the road with the new company.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what you did on the road, but make sure that you monetized. Make sure that you're able to end with things of like, because of the fact that you said blank, I'd like to recommend blank. You might need to go back in and start with a new, kind of start over. I know you hate this word. You're not really starting over. You're not telling them you're starting over, but you might want to, if nothing's going on, maybe we haven't found enough pain, found enough monetized in terms of not enough dollars for it to make sense to them, not enough change for them to make sense, not enough risk aversion. So maybe we go in with a new insight and then re-go through that in the ESP, get their attention. Hey, something going on. I just want to make sure you were aware of, right? Oh, you know what? We had talked to you before. We're still going over those docs. Perfect. That's not why I'm calling it. I wanted to make sure you were aware of XYZ or ABC. How are you guys dealing with that? We haven't really thought about that. Got it. In terms of blank, can you give me a specific example? Where are you guys at right now where you go back through and kind of remonetize this deal? It can't hurt. And a lot of times, one step backwards in figuring out their current situation and monetizing the deal will then all of a sudden turbocharge it going forwards. But if we just keep pushing on something where they're not giving us anything, we got to maybe take a step back and give them reason to believe in it again.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.